Hi, Chiefs. I hope you're all doing well. Mr. Fowler here. I want to give you some tips on how to borrow a book and change some settings for a more pleasurable experience while you read the book. So, we're here on sorapp.com and we want to check out a book. By the way, Harry Potter, unlimited checkouts right now in many languages, by the way. I'm going to go and scroll down. I'm going to find, why don't we check out The Hot Zone by Richard Preston, kind of a timely book about the Ebola virus. So, I'm just going to click on the book. It's going to open up to a page where I have a little summary about the book on in the middle there. And on the right side, just click Borrow. And voila, your book is open. Okay, just click on the right side to scroll the pages here. And when you click on the middle, you'll have a little menu drop down from the top, and up on the right, the very far right, the little hamburger bun right there. Click on that. And you'll see you have options here to search certain terms in the book, go to certain chapters, bookmarks, and I want to go down to reading settings right now. When we click on that, we can actually change the lighting background. Right now it's set to bright, but on the right side, if we click sepia, it changes the background to make it a little darker, and we can go full on dark and make the letters white in the black background. Isn't that nice? Also on the same side is the font. You can change that. Right now it's set to publisher's default, but we have legible, scholar, paperback, and we also have open dyslexic. If you click on that, you'll see that it alters the letters a little bit, makes them a little easier to read, kind of weights them down. So some of you, that might be a better way to read. I'm going to go back to publisher's default. I just wanted to share that with you. Any book that you borrow will be in your library. So when we go down to our shelf, library shelf, it'll be right there. You'll see that I already have 3 books checked out. Hope that helps. And I hope to see you guys sometime soon. Bye, Chiefs.